Hey, my name's Vikram. I'm based in India and I run an electronics store. Running my store on Magento had become a daily struggle. Slow loading pages, constant technical issues, and expensive maintenance. I wanted to move to Shopify, but I was honestly worried about losing product data, customer accounts, and years of SEO work. I worked with Ecommerce Small Task for the migration, and the whole process was handled flawlessly. They transferred my entire product catalog, customer history, and complex categories without a single issue. All the URLs were redirected correctly, and the new Shopify store loaded incredibly fast. Almost immediately, customer complaints stopped. Checkout became smooth and error free, and conversions improved right away. It genuinely felt like upgrading from an old system to a modern platform built for growth. I genuinely recommend e commerce small task.